Welcome back to NRI Legal World. Today's topic is very important. If an NRI has obtained divorce abroad, will it be valid in India? What is the step-by-step procedure to get it registered and recognized in India? The first thing is, when you get the divorced abroad, you receive a foreign divorce decree from the foreign court. But remember, that foreign divorce decree will not automatically valid in India. Needs to be recognized under Indian laws. In India, divorce matters are recognized by the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 or applicable personal laws. The Supreme Court of India already stated that the foreign divorce decree will be valid in India if divorce is granted by a court where both spouse has gave their consent. The divorce was granted in the country where both spouse has domiciled or residing. If these conditions are not met, your divorce can be challenged in India. To register or recognize the divorce in India, you need the following documents: a certified copy of foreign divorce decree, apostille or embassy attestation on that divorce decree, a copy of marriage certificate, passport and ID proofs of both spouses, of mutual consent divorce, a settlement agreement copy should be attached. Next, you and your lawyer needs to be file a petition in the family court. Petition for recognition of foreign judgment is filed before the court. Court will examine whether the foreign divorce decree was granted according to the principles of natural justice. This means where both parties given proper notice, both spouses participate voluntarily, is there no fraud or misrepresentation. If the court is satisfied, it will declare that foreign divorce decree also valid in India. If court passes the recognition order, you can update the marital status in different Indian records. You are an NRI and you cannot come to India personally, you can execute a power of attorney to your lawyer or your relatives. So friends, this was the complete procedure to get foreign divorce decree valid in India. If you follow these steps, your divorce will be legally recognized in India as well. If you found this video is helpful, so please contact NRI Legal World.